Yeah, I say it's very sunny here. I ran somewhere beautiful in central region. Now Ekoso goes professional. This is professional Ekoso. So we decided to move close to a very beautiful location to fly. The Mavic boys, you know. Charlie, bring the baby toy in. So we want to fly up in the skies and then see how beautiful Ghana is. Ghana is film. Mostly people go out to shoot in other countries, but then we are here to film very nice locations. So you can actually join us on this trip. You can also subscribe to this channel, Range Media. You can also call us for your range drone shots. I mean, a architect, a surveyor, whatever you're doing that you need an aerial shot, or you need beautiful location, music videos, movies and all that, you need epic locations, just hit us up. Then you sort one out. So this is my man Kobe. Yeah, dopest drone guy. So today I'm on bench. He's going to do all the flying and all that. So we have this nice bridge. See, make them see. The bridge, the B. So we're going to give you some 4K stunts footages nowadays. So hold on, we'll be right back. So it's a wrap for the day. So tell us where you want us to